Greetings, health enthusiasts. Today, we're embarking on a flavorful journey into the world of nutrition. We're about to uncover the top 7 delicious fruits that not only tantalize your taste buds but also have the incredible power to boost your metabolism and aid in fat burning. Yes, you heard it right. Fat-burning fruits that are as delicious as they are nutritious. Let's dive in. Fruit number 1. Grapefruit. Our first contender in the fat-burning lineup is the citrus superstar, grapefruit. Packed with vitamin C and hydrating goodness, this fruit has been linked to weight loss due to its ability to lower insulin levels and regulate blood sugar. A true delight for your taste buds and your waistline. Whether enjoyed on its own or added to salads, the tangy burst of grapefruit can be a refreshing addition to your daily fruit intake, promoting satiety and supporting your weight management journey. Fruit number 2. Berries. Next up, we have the vibrant array of berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, each bursting with antioxidants that not only combat oxidative stress but also contribute to fat burning. These little wonders are like nature's candy, offering a sweet treat without the guilt. Sprinkle them on your morning yogurt, blend them into a smoothie, or savor them as a snack. Berries bring a burst of flavor while helping your body torch those unwanted calories. Fruit number 3. Avocado. Now, let's talk about the creamy sensation, avocado. While technically a fruit, avocado often gets mistaken for a vegetable due to its savory nature. Packed with monounsaturated fats, avocados contribute to a feeling of fullness and can help control appetite. Spread it on whole grain toast, add it to salads, or whip up some guacamole. Avocados offer a delicious and nutritious way to support your body's fat-burning efforts. Fruit number 4. Watermelon. Making a splash at number 4 is the hydrating delight, watermelon. With its high water content and the amino acid arginine, watermelon has been associated with improved lipid metabolism, making it a refreshing choice for those looking to boost their fat-burning potential. Slice it, blend it into a cool beverage, or toss it into a fruit salad. Watermelon not only keeps you hydrated but also contributes to your body's natural fat-burning mechanisms. Fruit number 5. Pineapple. Sailing into the 5th spot is the tropical treat, pineapple. Rich in bromelain, an enzyme known for its digestive benefits, pineapple supports a healthy metabolism and aids in the breakdown of proteins. Plus, its natural sweetness adds a delightful twist to any dish. Enjoy it fresh, toss it into a salsa, or add it to your favorite smoothie. Pineapple is a delicious way to infuse your diet with fat-burning goodness. Fruit number 6. Apples. Crunching its way into the lineup is the classic favorite, apples. Pectin, a type of soluble fiber found in apples, not only promotes a feeling of fullness but also aids in fat metabolism. An apple a day may not just keep the doctor away but could also contribute to a trimmer waistline. Slice them up with some nut butter, toss them into salads, or simply bite into their crisp goodness. Apples are a convenient and nutritious snack that supports your fat-burning goals. Fruit number 7. Kiwi. And rounding off our magnificent 7 is the small yet mighty kiwi. Packed with vitamin C, fiber, and enzymes that aid in digestion, kiwi is a powerhouse of nutrients that can enhance your body's ability to burn fat efficiently. Peel and enjoy the vibrant green flesh, add it to your morning cereal, or blend it into a refreshing smoothie. Kiwi brings a zingy flavor while contributing to your overall well-being. There you have it. A delicious lineup of fruits that not only satisfy your taste buds but also support your fat-burning journey. Remember, incorporating a variety of these fruits into your diet, combined with a balanced lifestyle, can make a significant difference. If you enjoyed this exploration, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more mouth-watering insights into the world of nutrition. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep savoring the goodness life has to offer. Congratulations! You've just unlocked the secret to flavorful fat burning. If these fruity revelations left your taste buds tingling, hit that like button. It's the sweetest way to show your appreciation. But here's the real treat. Subscribing to our channel means you're in for a journey filled with more delicious discoveries, health tips, and nutrition insights. Don't miss out on future episodes where we uncover more secrets to a healthier, happier you. Subscribing is like having a nutrition ally right at your fingertips, ready to share insights that make a real impact. So, what's next on our menu? We'll be exploring more fascinating topics in nutrition, fitness, and overall well-being. Share this video with your fellow food enthusiasts, and let's build a community committed to savoring the goodness of life together. Until our next flavorful rendezvous, take care, stay fruity, and keep thriving.